So we're gonna do a grocery haul. This is what I got today at my local farmer's market. Let's start over here. We've got a pineapple just as a side to go with our meals. These are sides. We've got red potatoes, salad stuff. We love making salads. Cucumbers, Brussels sprouts, green beans. We've got some cabbage over here. We go through a lot of cabbage. An avocado, red onion, some lemons, peppers, green onions. And then back here we have some zucchini. We've got some organic pickles, organic ketchup. These all beef natural hot dogs by Applegate. They're really good. We've got some chicken over here, the blackened chicken. I like to put those in salads. We've got some snacks here. This is a really good snack. Carrot chips with some like guacamole dip or dip them in ranch. That's really good. I love these little bars. They're very clean. That's all the ingredients. These are really good. Some gum. It's my favorite gum. We've got some oranges to snack on. Bananas for a snack. Apples to snack on. And then we've got some taco mix.